Hi, welcome to this course on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. The default interface for Linux is command line. The graphical interface is a suite of applications that runs on Linux and are not necessary for Linux to function. The command line is often the fastest, most efficient way of getting work done. The command line is really fast. Many tasks are completed in the amount of time it takes to find the menu in graphical user interface. Command line is efficient and very powerful, but it has a steep learning curve. That's where this tutorial comes in. Every video shows how to perform one task in a practical and concise approach. The goal of this course is to provide you the working knowledge of commonly used Linux commands. We are going to start with the basics, and in the first few videos, I'm going to show you how to install Linux on your host PC, for example Windows operating system, using VirtualBox and VMware Player. So you don't have to worry about having a separate Linux machine. And then we will dive into the world of Linux commands. By the end of this course, you will be familiar with most common commands we normally use in Linux. Now let's talk about the requirements for taking this course. This tutorial course is intended for the absolute beginners in Linux environments. The basic knowledge of Linux is helpful, but not necessary to get the most out of this course. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.